Yeah, I was talking about annealing. Now, the major difference between annealing and normalizing in the cooling process. In the normalizing, what we did, we kept it outside the furnace, which is at the open, which is in contact with the atmospheric air. But in annealing, we don't do that. We suddenly can take out the hot metal and we bury inside the sand pit. That should be dry sand, not cold, wet sand. Dry sand or dry ash. In that pit we have to keep it ready. After heating above critical point and soaking time, suddenly it has to be buried in the, so that atmospheric air doesn't come in contact with the metal. So that purely, slowly it will get cooled up, and the next day morning if you see, complete that hard metal will be turned into soft. Now in the soft stage we can do any work. Now this process is called annealing. Now today we discussed normalizing, annealing, hardening, tempering. Now one process is remaining called case hardening. What is this case hardening? The name itself indicates that it is case hardening. Case means only outside. Hora kavacha. Have you heard a name in bolts? Have you heard a name called TVS bolts? It is a bit costly in the market. Or other ordinary bolts, if it is 50 paisa means, this will cost 3 rupees. Why? The case is hardened. Now case hardening is done on low carbon steel metals, not on high carbon steel, you can't. On low carbon steel metal. Intentionally, the core should be soft and only the outer case should be hard. But case, if you do, one thing is very clear in the beginning only I told you, for heat treatment carbon is necessary. In low carbon metal, carbon is not there. Then from outside you have to supply carbon to certain depth. Then you do the sudden cooling and quenching, heating and quenching. What happened? Only where the carbon is injected to the metal, there it will be hard, remaining part will be soft. Now there is an advantage in this. What happened? See, when you give sudden shock or wear and tear does not take place, but core will be, but in bolts, in bolts you need this quality. But when you tightening, it should not break. See, complete whole bolt, full bolt is hardened means, while tightening the torque is increased means it will break. Now, outside case is hard, there won't be any wear and tear. Inside core is soft, it won't break. Now, this is the idea behind this case hardening. That is why wherever it is necessary, we go for case hardening. Now, case hardening, only one problem, you have to inject carbon to certain depth. How? For that there are different processes. Come to page number 61, it is there, you look at there. Case hardening, I told you what is case hardening. Now how you inject carbon, depending upon that there are 3 types. Pack carburizing, that means you keep the component which has to be carbon injected inside a crucible and totally you pack it with carbon content metal. That simple words, charcoal. You keep all charcoal inside or coal inside, coal or coke inside, and in the middle you keep this and then heat above upper critical point. What happens? In that temperature it will consume carbon from the charcoal to a certain depth. Then after that suddenly you dip it in the quenching media. Where the carbon is there, that area will be hardened. The purpose is served. Pack carburizing. Next comes what? Liquid carburizing. That is a sodium carbonate bath. Liquid bath is there. In that you have to dip the metal. From there it will inject carbon to it. Then again heat treatment. Next process is called gas carburizing. Gas carburizing, propane or methane gas. These 2 gas are passed over the metal. There what happened? It will, the methane ke carbon. Methane also has got carbon. Propane also has got carbon. From there carbon will be injected to the metal. There also heat treatment is done later on. Next comes nitriding. In nitriding what happened? This is a process of heat treatment, but not through carbon. It is nitriding, a process of surface enriched not with carbon but it is with nitrogen. Nitrogen if you inject, there also the metal gets hardened. So that's all these processes are connected to case hardening. Keep it in mind. Pack carburizing, liquid carburizing, gas carburizing and nitriding. Nitriding is done for high speed steels, HSS tools are there, no? For that, it's a long process. Read in the book, complete process will be understood. Okay? Next, for this seed treatment of case hardening, you need sudden, only the case has to be hardened. Need not be core, should not be heated. That's why there are some processes called frame hardening, induction hardening, furnace hardening. How you heat, on the basis of that, it is certain procedures are there. That also you have to read completely. After that, see in the last page there are some MCQ questions are there, multiple choice questions are there. So after reading the book, if you are able to write these MCQ questions, that means you understood this chapter. See, they can create not only few MCQ questions are given in the book, but they can prepare n number of questions from this book. But if you have to answer, means you have to go through the book or read the book sentence by sentence once. Then whenever it is necessary, the information comes out. Okay? So that's why read the book once carefully. After reading the book, even after this, listening to the explanation, if you don't find anything which is not understood, please let me know. I am there to explain and clear it up once again. Thank you very much.